What's up, ladies and gentlemen, AJ47, Primal Instincts crew, Soul Mavericks crew. I'm back again with a June challenge. The June challenge is threading into a freeze, threading out of a freeze, threading within a freeze. But you have to create 3 combinations around this. They can be as simple or as complicated as you would like. And you have a month to do it. This is a good way to encourage more structured approach to breaking and more building your material. I was going to post this to my Patreon subscribers. If you haven't checked out my Patreon, please do so. It's completely updated the page. There's a lot of cool stuff on there. And I think if you guys are looking for a little bit more of a personalized experience while the numbers are still relatively manageable on Patreon, I can give you personal feedback if you open up a private Instagram account. With that being said, let's get straight into this video.
Thread to freeze. My thread of choice for this one is a foot thread. I set this up with a blender, rolling back to a baby freeze. As I gain height, my master hand releases the foot so I can then catch the baby freeze with my master hand. Let's now take a look at the full combo at full speed. Here you can see I'm using the same setup, the same foot thread, just at a different angle to execute a different freeze. Let's check out this thread to freeze combo in full speed. Thread out of a freeze. This thread of choice is a basket thread. I do this after rotating out of my baby freeze. As soon as both hands are free, I make a basket loop with my hands and then thread my entire body to this pose. Threading within a freeze, jumping into a simple shoulder freeze, foot threading, trapping the leg with my arm to perform the final freeze, and then for fun I thread again, this time in the opposite direction for my exit. Let's check the whole combo in full speed. Here are some other ways to think about how you can perform the threads for your combos. Have a play around with the different types of threads. Different angles will result in different freeze possibilities. Make them as simple or as complicated as you can. Have fun, but you have a month to complete this challenge. Happy building, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Peace.